Propeller removal and installation. Propeller removal. Disassemble the screws on the both sides of the propeller clip. Disassemble the screw in the middle hole of the propeller clip. Remove the upper part of the propeller clip. Remove the propeller. The propeller removal is completed. Propeller installation. Please check the washer before assembling the propeller. Assemble the rubber washer first, then the plastic washer. When installing the propellers, remember to check the letters on the propellers, CCW and CW. CCW means counterclockwise rotating propellers. It should be mounted on arm number 1 and arm number 3. CW means clockwise rotating propellers. It should be mounted on arm number 2 and arm number 4. The side with letters should face upward. Assemble the propellers in the corresponding position on the propeller clip. Align the propeller clip with the screw holes. Tighten the screws in the middle hole. Tighten the screws on the both sides of the propeller clip. Note, do not over-tighten the screws. Please compare with other propellers and make sure you can unfold the propellers as usual. Propeller installation is completed.